हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड थर्ड का एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज EVS का लेसन नंबर 2 सो मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ एनिमल्स की क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, थिंक एंड टेल। फर्स्ट, अ बीटल इज एन एनिमल दैट फ्लाइज, बट इज इट अ बर्ड और एन इंसेक्ट? आंसर, अ बीटल इज एन इंसेक्ट। सेकंड, व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन अ फिश एंड कैमलियन? Answer, the common between fish and a chameleon is that they both lay eggs. Third, name an animal which has stripes on its body. Answer, zebra. 4, why do people who live in desert keep camels? Answer, people who live in a desert keep camels because they can carry various types of heavy goods and can travel without any food or water for a long period of time. Fifth, why do people keep sheep? Answer, people keep sheep because they get wool, milk, etc. from sheep. 6. Why do people keep hens? Answer, people keep hens because they get egg and meat from hen. 7. Write the name of animals which run very fast. Answer, the name of animals which run very fast are horse, leopard, deer, etc. 8. Write the names of birds which soar high into the sky. Answer, the names of birds which soar high into the sky are eagle, kites, hawks, etc. 9th, which animals have spots on their body? Answer, giraffe, leopard, etc. have spots on their body. 10. Which animals have mane? Answer, lion, horse, etc. have mane. C. Filling the blanks. All crows are black, all parrots are green, but cows have different colors. They may be black, brown, or white. E. Find and tell. First, from which animals do we get milk? Answer, cow, goat, buffalo. Second, why do we not want mice in our houses? Answer, we do not want mice in our houses because it destroys many things that are stored in our houses. Third, where do we find fish? Answer, we find fish in water. Fourth, which animals have feathers on their body? Answer, birds have feathers on their body. Fifth, how many legs do birds have? Answer, birds have only 2 legs. F. True or false? First, an egret is white. Answer, true. Second, a parrot has scales on its body. Answer, false. Third, a cat is useful for carrying burdens. Answer, false. 4. A house lizard has hair on its body. Answer, false. Fifth, a cock does not fly very high. Answer, true. G. Match the following. Group A and Group B answers are given directly. First, chameleons creep or crawl. Kites soar high in the sky. Bats can fly but are not birds. Butterflies have 6 legs. Fish live in water. H. Name the following animals. First, make cobwebs. Spider. Second, is colorful. Peacock. Third, has a trunk. Elephant. 4, runs with great speed. Deer. I. How many legs do each of the following animals have? Snakes has no leg. Eagle has 2 legs. Deer has 4 legs. House lizard has 4 legs. Housefly has 6 legs. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in next video. Till that, keep learning.